And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a very simple paint effect in Adobe Photoshop. This is the original. I press Ctrl J to copy it 2 times. I make the original invisible and I work on my second copy. I go to Filter, Stylize and then find Edges, which creates this effect. Then I'll add a layer mask and I'll make sure it's completely white so everything is visible. If you've got it black, just press Ctrl I to reverse the process. Then go to your colors, make sure you've got black and white, and black is your foreground color. Activate the brush tool and I choose this default brush. A size of 400 should be fine, and I decrease the opacity to 50%. You can do that up here. And now I paint on my layer mask with the black color, which conceals what I've got here. And I'm going to speed this video up a little bit. Just paint on it as much as you want. If you've got too much, just press X and white will be your foreground color. So always switch between black and white using X. So now we're almost done and I decreased the opacity of that layer. You could also play around with the blending modes, but I don't want to do that here. I'm fine with the normal blend. Now let us add an adjustment layer levels, and I only want it to be applied to the original copy 2 layer, so I right click and create a clipping mask, and now I adjust it. Just a little bit, and I like that, but maybe I'll adjust the left bottom part a little bit more. Let us check the original first. That was the original and here's our finished result, but I'll make the foreground a little bit darker using the same method. I'm going to speed this video up once more, and I like that effect. This can be applied to any image. It's very quick, very simple. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.